You've completed your home inspection, but this next step can determine whether your deal moves forward or falls apart. It's called the BINSR, and timing matters more than most buyers realize. This is where you officially ask the seller for repairs, credits, or changes based on what you found. I'm Jermaine, your Arizona realtor, lender, and fellow investor. And today I'm breaking down how the BINSR works and what you need to know before submitting it. The BINSR stands for Buyer Inspection Notice and Seller Response. In most Arizona contracts, you have 10 days to complete your inspection period, unless that timeline was modified in your agreement. During that time, you should complete all inspections, bring in any contractors if needed, and fully evaluate the property. Once that's done, the BINSR is your opportunity to formally request repairs, replacements, or credits from the seller. But here's the key. Once you submit the BINSR, your leverage changes. Backing out after that point becomes more difficult, and in some cases, it could put your earnest money at risk depending on timing and contract terms. After you submit your request, the seller typically has 5 days to respond. They can agree, reject, or propose alternative terms, like offering a credit instead of making repairs. If you don't like the seller's response, you generally have another 5-day window to decide whether to accept their terms or cancel the contract. And if the seller doesn't respond at all, you still have a decision window after their deadline. The BINSR isn't just paperwork, it's a negotiation point. Handled correctly, it can protect your investment, reduce your risk, and keep your deal on track. If you have any other questions about the BINSR or how to respond strategically, then let's talk. I'm always here to help homeowners and future homeowners like you. Got questions? Call or text me at 480-800-HOME. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Arizona real estate tips. Have a nice day.